Hi Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make the inside banner pop-out card. I know that's a long title for a card, but I really didn't know what to call it, but it's so cute. When you open up the card, it looks like that. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so let me show you the other one I made. So here's one using the Bella and Friends. And there's the inside of that one. Isn't it cute? All right, so we're going to make the animal outing one today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's start with the measurements. The Whisper White is the base, and this is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then a piece of Early Espresso. This is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then a piece of Whisper White to layer on that is 3 3/4 by 5. So I'm using the Animal Expedition designer paper. It's double-sided, and it's on special right now with the buy one get one free. And this goes till the end of July. So July 31st, you can have your choice of any of the 10 that are listed. And the Animal Expedition is listed on this promotion. So that's really great. But this piece is cut at 1.5 by 5. Then for the inside part, this piece of Early Espresso is cut at 1 inch by 8.5. And then you need 4 pieces of Early Espresso. The squares are cut at 2 by 2. And then the Whisper White pieces, you're going to need 4 of these, and these are all cut at 1 7/8 by 1 7/8. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went ahead and, to save some time, I went ahead and colored all my layers for the inside and then also for the front. And the stamp set I'm using is the Animal Outing. Used a lot of these images with the animals and then also the Wild About You. And then this greeting right here, Hope Your Day is Truly Amazing, is from the Big Wishes stamp set, and it's right here. So cute. All right, so let's grab the inside part because that's what I want to focus on to make this card the moving part of the card. So we're going to go ahead and fold this in half. Remember, this is the 1 by 8.5. So we're going to fold this in half. And if you want to use your scoreboard, you'd score this at 4 1/4. And then you're going to take your open ends right here and you're just going to fold them up to the center. This is going to make your pop-out part of the card. So you're lining them up at the 4 1/4 inch score line. Okay, so that should look like this now. So that's what it's going to look like on the inside. I'm going to take my bone folder, making sure all the pieces line up nicely. I'm going to burnish the edges. Okay, so then we're going to take our base of our card and we're going to put adhesive on these 2 ends right here and right here. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put adhesive on this end here. And I found it easier just to go ahead and put one side with the adhesive, and I'm going to put it on one end over here. Then I'm going to put adhesive on the other end, and then just close the card. Okay, so this is going to make your pop-up section of the inside. Don't you love it? All right, then we're going to go ahead and add our 2 by 2 inch squares. And I'm going to lay this out with the Wild About You right about here. So I'm just going to put adhesive on the center right there. And I'm going to position it between those score lines or those fold lines. Right about there. And we'll take the rhino. So cute. How cute is that card? Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we're going to decorate the front. So we're going to layer our designer paper onto the Whisper White section here. Okay, so I'm going to add some linen thread along the side border where the designer paper is. Go ahead and flip this over. Okay, this is going to go on the Early Espresso piece. Okay, so for the front layer, I popped that up on dimensionals. Just going to put this towards the top. And then the greeting as well popped up on dimensionals. Put that at the bottom. And this is going to go on the base. Oh my gosh, don't you love it? So I used all the Stampin' Blend colors. I used the Smoky Slate, Daffodil Delight, Old Olive, Bermuda Bay, and then the Crumb Cake. And then also for the inside of my animals as well. Same colors. And then for the Bella and Friends sample here, I used the Flirty Flamingo with the basic black. And the Bella and Friends stamp set looks like this. Isn't it cute? So the greeting on here, it says, I'll be your up when you're feeling down. And then the inside, you've got a friend in me. Isn't that sweet? All right. So that's it. That's how you make that inside banner pop-up card. And I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.